Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the difference between Google ADK versus LangGraph 2025. So basically, Google Agent Development Kit ADK is an open source code first Python and Java framework for building and developing multi-agent AI systems. It's production ready from the start, built with a CLI and UI for evolution and easy deployment to Vertex AI and Cloud Run. ADK is an excellent fit if you need to build production grade multi-agent systems want structured workflows, evolution pipelines, and fine-grained control over agent execution. It's excellent if you plan to host on Google Cloud infrastructure, for example, Vertex AI and application integration. It requires interoperability with enterprise systems like BigQuery, APG, CRM tools, etc. It values model flexibility via Gemini, OpenAI, and Mistral support. Google ADK is a robust multi-agent framework that aligns with Google Cloud infrastructure, while LangGraph is a graph-based AI agent framework built on top of LangChain. It's designed to create stateful, multi-step reactive LLM applications like agents and chatbots. It allows defining agents in memory in a graph, orchestrating LLMs tools, APIs, and workflows, and building reliable AI pipelines. Use it if you are building AI agents, RAG systems, and workflow automation. LangGraph agents run in a state graph. Events and decisions are handled in loop like async workflows. It supports LangChain tools, retrieval, augmented generation, and agent behaviors. LangGraph is perfect for AutoGPT style apps, multi-agent collaboration, and AI-powered customer support. Choose LangGraph if you're building AI native apps, chatbot assistant, and multi-agent framework. Choose it if you need full control over LLM behavior, tool usage, and memory, and if you want to build a long-term AI product, not just a monetized app. So basically, this is the difference between Google ADK versus LangGraph. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.